have a box. The box is of Lee Cooper. There is one bill in there. So here it goes. Yeah. बसना आता है. So they have given us some extra shoelaces in red. You can see here in red. The size of the shoes is a UK 9, which is the size I ordered. The delivery came 6 days after I placed an order. The delivery was pretty slow. It was not as per the usual Amazon standards, but they seem like genuine, authentic Lee Cooper shoes. They even have the Lee Cooper tag, and I'll have to try them out. But so far so good. They look nice, pretty, just as I had ordered from the site for 1350 rupees. And so yeah,